Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got some really big news for all Yes Coin holders and miners. The moment we've all been waiting for is finally here. The Yes Coin TGE date has been officially announced. Now, before we get too excited, let's talk about what this actually means. TGE stands for Token Generation Event, and it's one of the most important milestones for any crypto project. This is the moment when a token officially goes live, becomes tradable, and enters the open market. Until now, Yes Coin has been in its early phase. People have been mining, collecting, and holding coins inside the app. But after TGE, those tokens will finally have real value and can be traded or transferred to wallets and exchanges. This is the point where Yes Coin transforms from just a project into a real cryptocurrency with market value. That's huge for everyone who has been patiently waiting and supporting the project since the beginning. According to the official announcement from the Yes Coin team, the TGE is confirmed for insert your TGE date here. On that day, the team will unlock the tokens and begin the process of distribution. Depending on your location and how you join the project, you might start seeing your coins become withdrawable or visible in your connected wallet. And from there, it's expected that Yes Coin will be listed on major exchanges where you can buy, sell, or hold your tokens. Now, I know a lot of people are asking, what will the price be after TGE? Honestly, no one can predict that exactly. The price will depend on several things. How many users decide to sell immediately, how much demand there is in the market, and whether Yes Coin gets listed on big platforms like Binance or KuCoin in the future. But one thing is for sure, the TGE marks the beginning of Yes Coin's real journey in the global crypto world. This is when real trading starts. This is when new investors come in, and this is when we see how strong the project truly is. So, for all Yes Coin holders, this is not just a date. It's the start of something much bigger. Now, if you've been mining Yes Coin for a while, this is your time to stay alert and ready. Keep your app updated, make sure your KYC is complete, and keep an eye on official announcements from the Yes Coin team. Sometimes projects release detailed guides on how to claim or withdraw your tokens right after TGE, so be prepared and don't miss your opportunity. Also, a small tip from me, when the coin finally lists, try not to panic sell. Many people sell early and miss out when the price rises later. Wait for the market to stabilize and then decide what's best for you. Remember, patience often brings the best rewards in crypto. If the team continues to build partnerships, expand its ecosystem, and promote Yes Coin globally, the long-term potential could be massive. The Yes Coin community is already massive, and with millions of users around the world, this TGE could truly be the start of something huge for everyone involved. So yeah, guys, this is it. The official Yes Coin TGE date is finally here. We've been waiting for this moment for so long, and now we're about to witness the next big chapter in the Yes Coin journey. Make sure you're ready, stay informed, and most importantly, avoid fake links, scam sites, or unofficial announcements. Always double-check updates on the official Yes Coin website and verified social media pages. And before we wrap up, if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next Yes Coin update. Also, drop up a comment below and tell me, how many Yes Coins have you mined so far, and what are your expectations for the TGE? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, legends. Stay positive, stay smart, and get ready for the Yes Coin TGE launch. It's going to be epic.